Using Venmo with Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money directly from your bank account. To get started, you need to have both Venmo and Zelle accounts. First, download the Venmo app and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Then, go to the Settings tab and look for the Add Bank option, where you can link your bank account to Venmo. Next, you need to set up Zelle, which is usually available through your bank's mobile app or website. Check with your bank to see if they offer Zelle and follow their instructions to enroll. Once you have both accounts set up, you can link your Zelle account to your Venmo account. To do this, go back to the Venmo Settings tab, select Add Bank, and choose your bank from the list of available institutions. If your bank is not listed, you can try searching for it or manually adding it by entering the routing and account numbers. After linking your accounts, you can use Zelle to instantly transfer funds to your Venmo account. To do this, open the Zelle app, select Send, and choose your Venmo account as the recipient. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. On the Venmo side, you can use the instant transfer feature to move funds from your Venmo account to your linked bank account using Zelle. Go to the Venmo Settings tab, select Transfer to Bank, and choose Instant. You will be prompted to confirm the transaction and the funds will be transferred to your bank account. Keep in mind that there may be fees associated with instant transfers, so be sure to review the terms and conditions before initiating a transfer. Best practices for using Venmo with Zelle include keeping your accounts up to date, monitoring your transaction history, and being mindful of any fees associated with transfers. By following these steps and tips, you can easily use Venmo with Zelle to send and receive money quickly and securely.